Hello, YouTube. A little dark in here, huh? Let's say we put some light on the subject. Well, there's one in the electrical cabinet. 4 more lights. Oh, and 2 over the bed. Well, there will be a bed back there eventually. Working on it. Figure I'd keep lights on. Split up the 6 LED and puck lights. 4 and 2. Use a little 3M double side. Because I wasn't about to take that cabinet back out. Because my battery electrical cabinets is made of 2 cabinets. First one I built bottom. Batteries are underneath the wood. Inverters on the side. Line coming in from the battery isolator. There. Got 2 100 amp hour AGM lead acid or whatever they are. Would have been nice to have lithium, but not on this boy's budget yet. Maybe later. Give me a couple months after, once I'm in the van full time. Maybe I'll get lithium then. And then yesterday I started it. Today I finished it. No, battery running dead. Uh-oh. Put this cabinet together. I do have the door down there, and I got a hinge. Actually gonna try one of these continuous hinges. Put that, wrap it around the corner here. That way the door will open up. Got a little cheap ass decorative hasp. I doubt that's gonna even work. I don't even know why I bought it. But it'll be a temporary till I get around to finding something else I like that's convenient enough. Yeah, it's too late. Oh boy, I should be at home in bed. Here I am eating. What do we got here? My midnight snack, maple nut goodies. Maple coated oven roasted peanuts. Pretty good stuff. TSC. But it's definitely coming along, unfortunately. Got my drawer slides today. And by the time I started installing them, didn't take me long to really install them. That was pretty quick. And once I got it done, then I realized, double checked, or triple checked, quadruple checked the measurements, and of course, I lost the middle drawer and the top right drawer. So, that's okay. Because that just means that right here on the end, I will build another cabinet. Similar to this, maybe a little bit bigger, maybe a little wider. Because I only need enough room right here for my stove. That's it. And then there will be a cabinet on top of the water box holder. The water box for the jugs. That's going to go all the way to the ceiling. And then eventually at some point behind it, I do have the template back there in cardboard cut out already. There will be cabinets across the top. I think it's 10 inches deep, 12 inches top to bottom. Over the foot end of the bed. Oh, and I did add that today. Relaxation, baby. Use the old grinder with the cut-off wheel. You cut out a little bit of that metal there, the inner metal on the door. Left 3 little tabs that I bent back and used them to secure it in. Solid as a rock. So, for a late night update that I probably should have waited till tomorrow to do, but I know it's been a bit. And who knows? There's a few people that, I got at least 3 subscribers, so 3 people enjoy watching my videos. And I appreciate that. Thank you, by the way. Hopefully, maybe someday that'll grow to a lot larger number. But we'll see. So, nope. Till the next one, folks. Catch you later. Bearded Nomad Van Life, baby. We're getting closer.